Eggplant. Eggplant at reproductive stage. This was done ratooning. As you can see, the cut of the stem. Ito yung resulta ng ratoon eggplant. Kinat ko dito. May mga sprout na dito na lumabas. Ito. So, these are the developed eggplant fruits. As you can see, they are dropping. Oh. Sometimes the nature of these plants are they bend. They lodge. Oh. Lot of flowers. This will develop later into fruits. Those flowers. That is simple gardening is. Thank you. Thank you once again.